Yeah. There's a bot here. Alright. Me, I was just seeing which gun that was that I picked up. Yeah, he said he killed it already. Yeah. Y'all trying to hop in the Benz and I don't know, somewhere. We don't have to though. I'm gonna go right over here. There's a couple of drones on the shit. Yeah, I'm about to get this radar. Bro. Yeah, there you go. Hey, what up, Mike? Let's go. They got me, bro. He's down bad though, bro. Watch out with the that white dude, yeah. That guy was low key like cheating, bro. I feel like he killed me so quick, bro. He probably had a medallion where it just constantly heals. Right? Alright, man, whatever. Alright, Pimp. Take it easy, dog. Alright, yeah. Peace out. Girl Scout. Appreciate everybody. Tap, share, and follow. Nobody followed. Y'all yak for that. But I love you anyway, you know what I'm saying? Changed my life. But y'all have a good night. Peace out. Much love. Later.